Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer crypto to Trezor. Moving your digital assets to a hardware wallet like Trezor significantly enhances their security, protecting them from online threats. We'll walk through the entire process, from preparing your Trezor device to initiating and confirming your cryptocurrency transfers. This step-by-step guide will help you confidently secure your valuable digital assets, giving you peace of mind with robust offline storage. Before transferring any crypto, you need to prepare your Trezor. First, connect your device to your computer with the USB cable. Then, install the official Trezor Suite application, which is your primary interface. Follow the simple on-screen prompts to either set up a brand new wallet or recover an existing one. Remember to create a strong PIN and, most importantly, securely write down your 24-word recovery seed phrase. This phrase is your ultimate backup. Now let's send your crypto. In Trezor Suite, select the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Navigate to the Receive tab to generate a unique receiving address for your Trezor wallet. Copy this address precisely. Then, go to your exchange or software wallet, paste the copied address into the Send field and specify the amount. Crucially, always double-check the address displayed on your computer screen against the one shown on your Trezor device before confirming. After sending, it's important to verify the transfer. Within Trezor Suite, you can monitor the transaction status. You can also use a blockchain explorer by pasting your receiving address to see its progress on the network. Remember that transactions require several network confirmations, which can take anywhere from a few minutes to a bit longer, depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Once confirmed, your transferred cryptocurrency balance will be accurately reflected in your Trezor Suite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.